How to find country and region settings on Godaddy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find country and region. First open your browser and then go to Godaddy, click on it here. Now click account settings and then go to my profile, and here we'll find address, click on it. And as you see here, you can add your country and region. Just type anything you want here, and just select anything you want and then type here your address and type it again, and then your city and state, and that's it. Then just click update. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.